We found the misfire right here. What's going on, everybody? Car Guy V8 here, and today I'm about to be heading out to Clay's. We're going to be breaking in a camshaft if everything goes as planned, and this is a pretty large camshaft. It's a solid flat tappet camshaft in an old 408 cubic inch small block Chevy, so it ought to be fun breaking this sucker in. So let's head out there. Here she is, guys. Some of you might remember this was an old Corvette project that I kind of gave up on. It was a big project, to be honest. And Clay's taking it, and he's taking over where I left off. And he's got a pretty nasty little 408 in here. Funny enough, he bought that 400 block from me several, maybe 2-3 years ago. Now, Clay, tell us a little bit about this combo that you set up here.
Okay, it's a 1980 Corvette. I put together a budget-built Chevrolet small block 400. That engine was bored 40 over. It's factory replacement pistons with a dish. The heads came out of a junkyard. The Vortec heads came out of a junkyard. I did a home rebuild on them, cleaned them up, light porting. I am running some long tube headers, which is so common with these C3 Corvettes. They're easy to come by. Might as well run them. So I'm running some headers on it. I got the cheap copycat Edelbrock intake. Sorry, Edelbrock. It's just so cheap. It is a budget build. Keep that in mind. Rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, and this is the first time I've ever gone with a solid lift flat tappet cam. But it's a solid lift. I like the idea of trying out a solid lift because, like I said, I've never tried it before. I love the mechanical sound. I've heard other ones do, so we're going to give it a shot, see how it does. This engine has brand new rings. I did a quick hone job on it. Brand new bearings throughout, fresh rings. So I mean, it's a good budget built, home built small block 400. Should produce a little bit of power. Ought to be fun for the street. This is the absolute home built budget basement hot rodding, basic grassroots hot rodding deal. Small block 400 with everything I told you in there. We're fixing to break in the cam today, get this thing up and running, and maybe before long we'll see this car going up and down the street. So it'll be a lot of fun.
That sucker sounded pretty nasty. We're going to pull off this carburetor real quick. It's having some issues here fueling. That's why it shut down. So we're going to change it real quick and get that sucker fired back up with hopefully no other issues. Fix a couple water leaks here.
Ready?
So she started running rough. We found the misfire right here. That's my fault. I was the one checking the plug routing, but my fault. I didn't see that one. But we were afraid it was something much worse than that, hearing how it sounded.
I'm thankful you're here giving me a hand. I can handle a burnt plug wire.
Yeah. I know. I hate it. I should have seen that. That was me. All right. Well, let's put this plug wire back on and get this thing fired back up. I think that's the second start so far.
Okay, we ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it again.
Oh, come on. That's great, Clay.
I'm happy.
She sounds good.
It does sound nasty. All Eagles in America.
Yeah. Man.
I'm fixing to bust it off again and see how easy it starts back up.
real exciting hearing that old Corvette start up with that LT1 reproduction cam. That was sweet. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.